In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to land Black Flash in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are watching gameplay of Heroes Battlegrounds, especially as the Mastered Slayer, you might have noticed that some people are able to do a Black Flash as their finisher. So, for you to do a Black Flash in Heroes Battlegrounds, you need to be playing as the Mastered Hero Slayer. So, the way that this works is that it is going to be a passive. As you are playing with the Mastered Hero Slayer, once you kill any player, you will be able to do a finisher known as a Black Flash. So first, kill a player with your final M1, and the next time you do 4 M1s back to back, you will see the last one being a powerful red electric punch. So to summarize, all that you have to do is kill someone. This is going to reset your moves and give you the Black Flash finisher, and all that you have to do now is go over to another player and initiate a 4M1 combo. By doing 4M1s after any kill that you get on any player, you will be able to see the Black Flash as the last M1. So all that you have to do is kill someone and you will get the passive to land the Black Flash. The passive does not let you make combos after the final M1, so keep that in mind. It is not that good unless you are getting teamed on. The passive gets triggered after the final M1, but will not get triggered if you do a down slam through an uppercut, and so on. So all that you have to do is eliminate a player with the standard M1. You will see the animation go out, and all that you have to do afterwards is walk to another player and do 4 M1s, and you will be able to see the Black Flash look-alike, which is the powerful red electric punch that I mentioned. You can do multiple punches until the passive runs out, and you can do it with your fists or with the katana. It doesn't matter. You will still see the Black Flash. I hope I was able to help you on how to land Black Flash in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.